If you can dream it, you can do it. Enzo Ferrari said it. Then he lived up to it. Scuderia Ferrari became the most successful Formula One team in history. SKF has been a technology development partner to the team since the beginning, supplying products, engineering services, knowledge. Those products are continuously put to the test in a sport where the winning advantage can be measured in thousandths of a second. Car and driver pushed to their absolute limit in the pursuit of speed. This partnership remains strong today, 70 years later.
We as SKF Racing can offer to Ferrari the most advanced technologies available in the group. And this is very important because we are a small unit but very active, and we play a key role in SKF. So we have an extended network to access the most advanced technologies available and to help Ferrari to win in the Formula One championship.
Ferrari win a lot of championships. This is an impressive record for the Formula One, and because of the long partnership with SKF, we can say that using SKF products can help us to have a faster car and more reliable car. Very important.
We will have a lot of challenges for 2017. As you know, regulation will change again, so this will mean for SKF that our bearings will need to perform under higher speeds, higher loads, and always keeping the same reliability and performance. So, you know, in Formula One, the development never stops.
This very long partnership with the SKF Group, I think, is very, very useful for both company. We can learn a lot of things in the design of the components from SKF, and obviously they can improve the product with our experience, having us as a bench for the parts.
This partnership is lasting for 70 years, so this is absolutely a record in Formula One. It's not the classical relationship between a customer and a supplier. We are close, like to be in a family. We are open, we discuss, we have strong meetings, but this is the way we work with Ferrari, and this is the winning solution that we have with them.
And so the work continues, 24/7, to develop a new car, a faster car, with today's most advanced technology. Sharing the same goals and the same approach to those goals will help solidify the successful partnership between SKF and Scuderia Ferrari.
There is an expression in Italian, chi si assomiglia si piglia, meaning birds of a feather flock together. And this is simply the secret of our partnership.